Good morning, children. As in our previous class, we had done the preposition in is used before a year, a month, a part of a day and seasons. So, today in this class, we are going to do the preposition on and at. Let's do it.
Children, preposition on is used before days of the week. Preposition on is used before days of the week. And preposition on is used before dates. It is used before dates. Preposition on is also used before special days. On is used before days of the week. Like we always say on Sunday, on Monday, on Tuesday, on Wednesday, on Thursday, on Friday, on Saturday. We also use on before the dates. We say on 25th December, on 2nd October, on 26th January, on 15th August. We use on before dates. On is also used before special days. Special days can be any, like birthdays, festivals, anniversaries. So on is used before special days. Children, we will say my birthday is on Sunday. My birthday is on Sunday. This is the correct sentence. Let us do one more. On can be used before the special days. Special day can be Diwali. So we will frame a sentence. We light diyas on Diwali. We light diyas on Diwali. Now, on is also used before dates. So we will take the example. I have my exam on 12th August. I have my exam on 12th August. Let us take one more example. The bank is closed on Monday. The bank is closed on Monday. Children, let's discuss the preposition at. At is used before clock time. At is used before clock time. At is used before night. At is used before night. At is also used before weekend. At is used before weekend. Children, at is used before clock time. So we will say at 2 o'clock or at 8 o'clock. We say at night. We say at night. At is used before weekend. We always say at the weekend. We say at the weekend. And weekend is Saturday and Sunday. So we say at weekend. Children, let us frame the sentences with at. We can say Tina had her lunch at 2 o'clock. Tina had her lunch at 2 o'clock. Let us take another example. Now, we will say we can see stars at night. We can see stars at night. Now, we'll take another example. I go to the park at the weekend. I go to the park at the weekend. Children, your homework is give the suitable preposition for the given words. Like time is given 3:30 p.m. and we know that we use the preposition at before the clock time. So we'll read it at 3:30 p.m. See, one I have done, rest you will complete.